It's the real developers of AI.
All right, team, any questions before we start this sprint?
Yeah,
Yes, Bert?
why are there so many cameras here?
Oh, this is just for that documentary that recruitment asked us to film. You received several emails about it.
I don't read emails.
Well, you should, and it also explains your lack of appropriate
Hold
attire.
on. I wear this every day. What's with the getup, Miss Princess of Genovia? You meaning a prince or something?
Dressed for the job you want, Bert.
A billionaire's ex-wife.
Just act normal. We have two major things this sprint to talk about.
Is one of them that thing on your shoulder?
No, we need to refactor that legacy payments workflow, preferably something that isn't a 6,000 line stored procedure.
I am on it and I have 0 clarifying questions.
That's extremely unnerving. Matt, will you help him with that?
Oh.
I think this is actually a great time for you and I to spec out an AI agent that recommends competitive intel from web sources in real time.
So, a bash script.
No, it's agentic, it's scalable, it's innovative.
It's gonna look so good on our resumes. I'm so excited. Beth said proof of concept. I said proof of vibes.
Bert did actually a magnificent job selecting a tech stack.
How about we define some acceptable outcomes before we just start stacking all these frameworks
Hold
together?
on, how about we define acceptable personality before we start complaining about other people's tech stacks?
As if anyone but me has an acceptable personality or fashion sense.
Okay, guys. We'll start with Foundry for models, use the AI agent service for that logic scaffolding, and then integrate some web search with citation scoring. I think we can get a prototype done by EOD.
Well, I hope that doesn't mean end of day, because everything else you just said was nonsense.
It does mean end of day. We move at the speed of innovation. Bert and Matt can handle it.
I utilize unreasonable deadlines as a motivational technique. I'm really good at this.
This is how Jurassic Park started, with a fun proof of concept.